My name is Nazia Mestaoui, and as an artist, my passion is to reconnect the virtual and the real, the invisible and the visible, technology and nature. I believe we can all inspire our future, and I think art is a good way to share and give the possibility to each of us to do something. And it is why I created the artwork One Heart, One Tree. With One Heart, One Tree, we all have the power from all over the world to contribute in a positive way. It is a collective piece of art that transforms famous monuments, including the Eiffel Tower, into virtual forests, using lighting and mapping technologies. So you can virtually create a tree. You download a smartphone application, and by putting your finger on the sensor, your heartbeat is being recorded. Then you can see your tree with your name on it, growing at the rhythm of your heartbeat. And as each heartbeat is unique, each tree will also be totally unique. And here, the true beauty of it, each virtual tree is going to grow in real life, planted in a reforestation program. So the virtual becomes real.
Rencontré en Asie un être profondément connecté au monde. On s'est rencontrés il y a quelques mois maintenant et son projet m'a émerveillée.
C'est une œuvre collective qui va transformer la tour Eiffel en forêt virtuelle.
Tonight on Eiffel Tower, our hearts beat as one. Merci, merci.
It is the heartbeat of a person that gives birth, through technology, to another life, a tree. And if we are all connected, we can have a huge impact.